What's up, guys? I wanted to have just a brief conversation with you about a problem that I see some entrepreneurs having. And I was having this conversation with my buddy John the other day, and he was like, dude, you should make a quick video about this. So this probably won't be very long, but he was basically, what he was asking me was like why I felt the need to go and film videos when I have like more important things that I could be doing to move the needle, right? Like, you look at the urgent, important matrix, and there are definitely more important things, or more urgent things at least, that I could be doing. Like making a video doesn't always seem like the alligator closest to the boat. And I kind of stopped and I was like, dude, like Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, like these are the platforms that built the brand. And so if I was to stop filming those videos because of my brand being so big that I've, I don't want to say that like conceitedly, but because I've gotten so busy and maybe even overwhelmed by some of the stuff I've been doing, like that's counterintuitive, right? Like you can't stop focusing on the things that built the brand just because the brand got big and you got busy. That would be like the people who, and I've been guilty of this, send direct mail and then they get a bunch of responses, so they stop sending more direct mail in order to respond to those people. And now there's a big gap between properties closing, right? You should keep sending the direct mail while you're negotiating, and you build the systems to work on it. So I see a lot of people doing this, and I kind of wrote down some notes here, but well, here, we'll just read this, right? Like, so in my case, that means that I need to continually film YouTube videos, post on social media, record podcasts, and write blog posts. None of these things make me as much money as some of my other aspects of my business. But they're what got me to grow in the first place. If I let off the gas and I stop putting out this content, the growth will slow, and by the time it's too late to realize that, I may have just come to a complete halt, right? So I know it can be tempting to let off the gas and focus on the end of your funnel to ensure you don't get overwhelmed, but that's the wrong answer. The right answer is to grow into your business and into the business you're building to become capable of handling the additional influx of leads and business. So just bottom line is this: never stop doing the things that made you successful in the first place. Now maybe you pivot, right? But if you built your brand on social media, don't turn off the social media funnels because your brand built, right? Like, keep doing those things. Just build the systems to where you can continue on your trajectory and you can handle it. That's the growth piece. That's the uncomfortable piece. That's the piece I'm struggling with right now, is that growth. But I know that I can't just let off the gas in order to catch up. I have to find ways to improve and be more efficient and create better systems in order to expand. And that's the right answer. So I hope this helps somebody. Have a great day.